In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign in to Doordash. Whether you're on your phone or a computer, the process is quick and straightforward, and I'll walk you through it clearly so you can be up and running in just a minute. First, open the Doordash app if you're on mobile, or go to the official Doordash website in your browser. If you're using a browser, make sure the address bar shows the genuine Doordash domain so you know you're in the right place. On the app, confirm you've downloaded the official version from your device's app store. Once the app or site is open, look for the sign in or login button, usually at the top of the screen on the website or prominently on the app's home screen. Tap or click that button to bring up the login form. If you don't see it right away, scroll up to the top of the page on desktop or check the main landing screen on mobile. Now enter your registered email address or phone number along with your password. Type carefully. Passwords are case sensitive and a single extra space can cause an error. If you typically sign in with a phone number, make sure your country code is correct. And if you usually sign in with an email, use the same one you used when you created your account. If you run into an incorrect password message, double check your typing. You can use the show password option if it's available to confirm what you've entered. If needed, the forgot password link can guide you through resetting it, but if you remember your password, go ahead and submit the form. At this point, you may be prompted to verify your identity for security. Doordash will send a 6-digit verification code to your phone or your email, depending on what you use to sign in. Keep the login screen open, then check your text messages or your inbox. The code usually arrives within a few seconds, but it can take a minute. If you don't see it in email, peek at your spam or promotions folders. When the code arrives, return to the login screen and carefully enter all 6 digits exactly as shown. These codes expire quickly, so if it doesn't work or time runs out, choose the option to resend a new code and try again. Make sure you have a stable internet or cellular connection so the code can be delivered promptly. After you enter the correct code, you'll be signed in and ready to browse restaurants, track orders, or manage your account. That's all there is to it. Simple, secure, and fast.